Welcome to Level Financial Advisors series on the Client Portal. My name is Bethany Wagner, and I'm the Technology Specialist for Level Financial Advisors. In this video, we will be reviewing the Documents tab of the Client Portal. As you can see on the screen, we're in the Documents tab of the Client Portal, and we're under the sub-tab Statements. This is where you would find custodial statements like the Schwab monthly statements. Now, these are also available on the Schwab Alliance website, but if you'd like to have one login where you can access a lot of information, we highly recommend you sign up for the client portal. Statements for the previous month are available around the second week of the current month. So, for example, our July statements would be available in the client portal sometime around August 10th, the Schwab statements. We also upload tax statements, so 1099s, 1099Rs, corrected 1099s. These are all uploaded to the client portal, so you have easy access for them, especially if you need them in an electronic form to be able to give them to your accountant. Now, because this is a test account, we obviously don't have any custodial statements in the client portal. The second sub-tab under the documents is the cloud storage. There are two options for cloud storage. If you would like to send a document to your advisor, you can do so by clicking on the advisor shared storage. And from here, you can choose to upload documents. This is just another way to securely send documents to us without needing a separate login. Alternatively, if you're one of our clients who has chosen digital delivery of our reports through ShareFile, you can link your ShareFile account here to have a single sign-on to access the documents that we send you. For a detailed walkthrough on how to link your ShareFile account and the client portal, we have a separate video. The third sub-tab under Documents is the Reporting sub-tab. This sub-tab gives you access to our reports so you can run them on an as-needed basis. Right now, there are only 2 reports available, but we are looking to expand those options soon. One of the reports you can access and run is the Annual Review Meeting report. To run the report, you would just click on the Annual Review Meeting report, and then it'll bring up options. The first option is what accounts or households you're running the report on. In this case, because it's a test household, there's only one account in it. But if you had multiple accounts, you could choose to run it on a specific account instead of for the whole household. In this case, we'll leave it to run on the household. The next thing you do is select the start date. When we run this report internally, we always use the inception date, which there's a nice little button here that you can just click and it will auto-populate the inception date for the household or the account, depending on what you're running the report on. For the end date, we would choose today's date. And then when we're looking at format, I would highly recommend you choose PDF, which should be the default. It's not that you can't choose to upload it or to run the report in an Excel spreadsheet. It's just these reports were designed to be PDF'd, so it might look a little odd if you try to run it into an Excel document. For delivery method, it should default to direct download, and that's what we want. So we will click Generate. And it will run the report. It will take a minute or so for the report to generate, but once it's done, you'll have a PDF of your annual review meeting report. I'm going to pull up one that I ran earlier. As you can see, the annual review meeting report, this is a document that for those of you who have had an annual review meeting in the last probably 2 years will be fairly familiar with. This contains information such as allocation summaries, activity summaries, including performance and returns. It includes portfolio holdings, an annual performance summary so that you can see by year how the accounts have done. If this were not a test household and you were linked up to Money Guide Pro, it would include a net worth statement from Money Guide Pro because this is a test household. It's not linked to Money Guide Pro. And then if you have beneficiaries on your account, it will also run a report to show you what beneficiaries you have on your account. Again, this is a test household, so it doesn't contain all of the information that your annual review meeting report would potentially hold. This concludes the review of the Documents tab in the Client Portal. As always, if you have any questions or experience any technical difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.